Quiznos, food for thought. Learning with a taste of sight and sound. In this Screenflow tutorial, I will address my components for the website. I chose PowerPoint as the technology to present the material. And these are the issues that will be addressed in my presentation. And these are the forms by which each of the presentations will be delivered, starting with the Prezi, Google Docs, Google Forms, Screenflow 1, Screenflow 2, and the Google Drawings. The first will be key issues and concepts in real estate practices and principles. This is delivered through a Prezi presentation. As we can see here, the presentation is for National Real Estate Academy student orientation. And in this, we address the key issues and concepts in real estate practices and principles. Next, we'll cover the log-on procedures, course syllabus, and testing policies. This is done in a Google Docs. The actual text material is taken directly from the California Department of Real Estate, which outlines the procedures and policies and their syllabus. This syllabus does not cover the actual course materials in each individual course. This is a general overview of their requirements. The lesson pre-assessment checklist and course policies and procedures was produced in Google Forms. It begins with a sample module quiz that is given at the end of the course orientation. And a post-orientation survey. This survey will give us information on how to improve the content and delivery of the course. Screenflow 1 and Screenflow 2 will cover course procedures and governmental regulations as far as realtors, licensing, and education. And it'll also cover the course text material. I will give a brief explanation of that in Screenflow 2. Using Google Drawings, I will show a flow chart of a typical real estate transaction. As you see here, this shows basic steps in a real estate transaction, from the seller listing their properties to the property being shown, an offer being made by a buyer, to the buyer and seller negotiating terms and executing a contract, to the property being escrowed, the buyer applying and being approved for a home loan, and the transaction goes to settlement, and then finally the buyer closes escrow and is given possession to the home.